Introducing the 2014 Toyota Corolla. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. This automobile comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power mirrors, an alarm system. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.